Off lecture. Learn beyond class.
Cracking the Story Code. Hello everyone! Welcome to Cracking the Story Code, your guide to becoming a reading detective. Every book and paragraph hides a secret heart. Today we learn to find it, connect the missing pieces, and unlock the true meaning. Let's go! The missing piece. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle where the edges are placed, but the center is empty. That is what a text looks like without its main idea. Pieces surround the gap, and without a center, nothing makes sense. The main idea is that glowing missing piece that completes the whole picture. The core of the text. What exactly is the main idea? It is the big point of the text, the one thought the author most wants you to carry away. It is the anchor for every word on the page. Everything else exists to support or prove this one central thought. The big point of it all, holding the story together. What holds the main idea up? Supporting details. These are specific facts and vivid descriptions that give the main idea strength. They are evidence that proves the point, the pieces that build the complete picture. A main idea without details is just an opinion. Details make it real. Spotting the difference. Here is a crucial skill. The difference between a topic and a main idea. One word versus one big thought. A topic is just the subject, monsoons. A main idea is the complete thought. Monsoons bring vital heavy rain. A topic names it. A main idea tells you something truly meaningful about it. Building a strong foundation. Think of a text like a sturdy table. The surface holds the main idea on top. The legs are the supporting details underneath. Without legs, the idea falls. Weak details mean the idea collapses. A strong text always has a main idea firmly held up by solid, carefully chosen supporting details. Covering the details. Picture a big yellow umbrella in the rain. The main idea is the umbrella covering everything else. Details stay safely inside underneath. If a detail does not fit under that umbrella, it does not belong in the paragraph. Everything connects back to the top and fits safely right underneath. Finding the heart everywhere. The main idea is hiding in plain sight. A movie poster gives you the big idea of the film. That is a main idea. A textbook title signals the chapter's main idea. But a single scene is just a detail. A single fact is just a detail. Train your eyes to spot the heart versus a supporting piece. Dodging the traps. Watch out. 2 sneaky traps catch many readers. Trap 1. Picking a tiny detail and calling it the main idea. Truth. Look for the big picture. Trap 2. Guessing from only the first line. Truth. Read the whole paragraph before deciding. Don't fall for the trick. Always read completely through first. Big idea or detail? Trust your detective instincts. Coral reefs are underwater cities. Main idea. Polyps build the calcium skeletons. Detail. Foxes use clever, tricky flattery. Main idea. The raven dropped the cheese. Detail. The main idea covers broadly, while a detail zooms into one specific thing. That contrast is your key. The detective's challenge. Now piece the clues together. When reading any paragraph, ask 3 key questions. 1. What is the subject? Hint, repeated words. 2. What is the message? Hint, the umbrella thought. 3. Where is the proof? Hint, supporting facts. These 3 questions are your detective toolkit for any text. Test your glint lens. You have all the tools now. 4 quick questions. What anchors the whole text? The main idea. What acts as table legs? Supporting details. Is a topic the same as the main idea? No. Where is the main idea usually found? First or last sentence? Answers. Main idea, details, no, and first or last sentence. Excellent! The story code mastered. The code is finally cracked. Main idea is the story's heart, the big point of everything. Details are the strong legs, facts that prove the point. Evidence is the glint lens, clues that build the case. All three together unlock the meaning of any text. You are now a fully equipped and confident story detective. Beyond the page. The whole world is a story. Look closely at every paragraph. Seek the heart hiding inside. Let details guide you to deeper understanding. Become a master of stories. These skills work in English, science, and history everywhere. Every subject holds a main idea waiting for a sharp, curious detective just like you. Every story has a heart. You just have to find it. And that is our closing truth. Every story has a heart. You just have to find it. Armed with your magnifying glass, your 3 detective questions, and your understanding of main idea and details, no text can hide its secret from you. Go read, explore, and crack every story code. Thank you!